Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a Minecraft Bedrock server for free. Let's get started. While free servers works great, paid servers offer benefits like 24/7 uptime, no waiting times, and live support. But for now, let's focus on the free method. First, open the web browser and search for Aternos. Aternos is a free Minecraft server hosting service. Click the official website and select Play. Then sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, click Create Server, then choose Bedrock Edition. Then give your server a name and you can change this later if you want. Click Create and your server will be set up. On the left side, you can customize settings like game mode, difficulty, and player permissions. When you're ready, click server, then press start and accept the EULA and watch the short ad while the server starts. Once the server is online, copy the server address and port shown on the page. Now open Minecraft Bedrock and click play and go to servers. And select add server. Enter a server name, paste the address, and enter the port and tap play. You are now connected to your free Minecraft Bedrock server. Share the address and port with friends so you can play together. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.